this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to earn free gift on Temu. Let's get started. First, launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now you can navigate to the U page. Over here, you're going to find the section coupons and offers. Click on that. Over here, you're going to find special offers for you. Just so you can go through it and get free gift, likewise discount on the products. Next up, head back. Navigate to the option Win Reward on credit and free gift. Using these options given over here, you can earn free gift. So the first one is 5 mysterious gift. You can just click on it and go through the process. Next up, Freebie Frenzy. Click on Claim Fast. Click on Win My Gift and go through the process. This will also provide you 3 free gift. Likewise, head back. Click on Redeem Credit. You will need to pick one of the credit. Once you have chosen the card, you can complete the process, and this way also you will get free products. Also keep an eye on the daily check-in rewards. By checking in consistently, you can collect coins that stack up toward redeeming free items. And that's it. These are some main ways to earn free gift on Temu. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.